Benelli under QJ Motor is developing a new V4 engine based on patent documents that have been leaked to the public. The engine replaces the high-performance collaboration engine with MV Agusta. The engine has appeared in several patent applications published in China in recent weeks, revealing it to be a V4 engine. While not a radical design, the new V4 looks on par with other modern machines, even at a 90-degree angle. The addition of the V4 engine would demonstrate QJ Motors' aim to have every type of combustion engine. Although previously there had been plans to develop a 1000cc engine, a four-cylinder design in the form of the MV Agusta Brutale 1000. Looks similar to Honda's late model VFR 800 engine and motor design, but it looks like this machine is not a clone of Honda's great machine. Some of the details in the picture simply show that the machine is adopting an idea that has not been used in the past. Some of the images include the QJ Motor logo on the end of the camera shutter, indicating that it will appear on at least one model in the QJ Motor Qianjian lineup. If this engine is in the realization stage, it will move Qianjian towards the goal of having almost every type of combustion engine imaginable in its motorcycle lineup. Currently, QJ has made singles, parallel twins, V-twins, inline triples, and inline fours ranging from 50 kg to 900cc. And for this V4, it looks like QJ will pack in superbike form.